Need to figure out how much your savings will grow over time? Let me show you how with the compound interest calculator. Head over to foundthetool.com/finance/compound-interest to open the calculator. The form is simple and quick to fill out. First, enter your initial deposit. Let's say you're starting with $5,000. Next, add a monthly contribution. We'll go with $200 a month, a realistic amount for regular saving. Now enter your expected annual interest rate. 7% is a commonly used estimate for long-term investment returns. Set how many years you plan to let your money grow. We'll use 25 years to represent a long-term savings horizon. Finally, choose how often your interest compounds. Monthly compounding is a common option for savings accounts and investments. And there's your answer. The calculator shows your total balance right at the top. You can instantly see how your money has grown. Scroll down a little, and you'll see a full breakdown. Your initial deposit, your total contributions, and the interest earned all laid out clearly. There's also a chart showing your balance growing year by year, so you can visualize the power of compounding over time. You can also copy or share your result with the buttons at the top. Great for saving your calculation or sending it to someone. Give it a try yourself at foundthetool.com. The compound interest calculator is completely free and takes less than a minute to use.